My dear friends, today's our burning problem is to make our students prepare for the ensuing half-yearly examinations of intermediate students. To make them ready for the ensuing half-yearly examinations, we are going to see the question paper analysis and what type of questions can be given for second year students. In this video, let us discuss
The main
all those
objectives to be
questions
covered
which
are
can be
knowledge,
asked under
understanding,
various
application, and
sections.
skill. What is dispersion of light? Which color gets more relatively dispersed? What is myopia? How can it be rectified? What is hypermetropia? How can it be rectified? Define focal length and radius of curvature of convex lens or concave lens. What is the Brewster angle? What is Moyle's law? What are the laws of reflection through curved mirrors? In magnetism chapter, these are the following important questions which can be asked under various sections: knowledge, understanding, application, skill. Defining magnetic inclination or angle of dip. Define magnetic susceptibility and write its units. What are the units of magnetic moment, magnetic induction, and magnetic field? Why magnetic lines of force do not intersect? Classify the following substances into dia, para, and ferromagnetic substances. Moving charges, magnetism, and matter. In this chapter, it includes what is the importance of Weierstrass experiment, state Ampere circuit law, and Biot-Savart's law. How do you convert moving coil galvanometer into ammeter? What is the principle of moving coil galvanometer? How do you convert moving coil galvanometer into voltmeter? State Ohm's law and write its units. Electromagnetic waves include what are the applications of microwaves? Give two uses of infrared rays. Why microwaves are used in radars? Write any uses of infrared rays. What is the ratio of spread of infrared rays and ultraviolet rays in vacuum? How microwaves are produced? The wavelength of electromagnetic radiation is doubled. What happens to the energy of photon? In alternating current, what type of transformer is used in 6 volts bed lamp? What is transformer ratio? What is the difference between step up and step down transformer? What is the phase difference between AC and current in the following cases: pure resistor and pure inductor? The dual nature of matter and radiation. What is photoelectric effect? What is work function? What are cathode rays? Write down Einstein photoelectric equation. Write down de Broglie's equation and explain. Explain de Broglie's relation in its terms. State Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. In atoms and nuclei, give two drawbacks of Rutherford's atomic model. What is an AMU? What is its equivalent energy? In communication systems, what is World Wide Web? Frequency, range of speech. What is modulation and demodulation? These are all some questions which can be given in atoms and nuclei. To short answer or 4 marks questions, in electric statics and electropotential, derive an expression for the intensity of an electric field at a point on the axial line of an electric dipole. Electrical field at a point on the equatorial line of an electric dipole. State Gauss's law of an electrostatic and explain its importance. State the and explain Coulomb's inverse square law of electricity. Derive an expression for the electric potential due to a point charge. Derive an expression for electrostatic potential energy of two systems charges and find its relation between electric potential of a charge. Expression for the potential energy of an electric dipole based on a uniform electric field. Derive the expression for the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Current electricity. State and explain Biot-Savart's law. State and explain Ampere circuit law. Find the magnetic induction due to a long current carrying conductor. Derive an expression for the magnetic induction at the central of a current carrying circular coil using Biot-Savart's law. Write the applications of eddy currents. Explain parallel and series combinations of capacitors. Derive the expression for this. Derive the balancing condition for the Wheatstone bridge. Questions under 8 marks. What is Doppler effect? Obtain an expression for the apparent frequency of a sound wave when the source is in motion with respect to an observer at rest. Explain the formation of stationary waves in an air column enclosed in an open pipe. How the stationary wave is formed in a closed pipe. Explain various methods of frequencies. Explain the formation of stationary waves in stretched strings. Deduce the law of waves in stretched strings. By the way, in current electricity, potentiometer, comparison of EMFs of two cells, potentiometer, internal resistance of a battery, in in atoms and nuclei, construction working principle of nuclear reactor, which can be given under 8 marks.